Hi folks, welcome back. If you remember from last week, I only have two more things left. I have the wonderful sea oats and then this card. I do want to kind of preserve this area because this is kind of where I want to put some more details of our trip in here. So I think what I'm going to do with this key card here, like I said, it has a pocket in it already, but I don't think there's really a good place to use it on here. So I think I'm just going to cut this guy out and I'm actually going to put him over here. And then I'm going to deal with these sea oats. Okay, so I'm going to do this and then I'll be right back. All right, hang on. Okay, I'm back. All right, so all I did was just glue this down here. I just put a piece of the washi tape on here and I actually didn't use my glue to help it out because this is already stuck down. So this was just for decoration. So now I have my sea oats left. Now this is one of those clear baseball card holders. I actually bought them at the thrift store for like 50 cents for a pack of 100. And this is what I'm going to use to tuck my sea oats in. But just in case you don't have one of those, you could also use a wonderful plastic bag and just cut out the corner and just tuck your, you probably don't have sea oats too, or maybe you do, I don't know. Tuck your weird thing, whatever it is, into a corner of a plastic bag and then just glue it and tape it down. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to use these baseball card holders because like I said, I bought, I think 2 packs of like 100 each. Again, for 50 cents each, so, but I just want to use them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick this guy in here and then I'll probably just stick some tape on the top, maybe some washi tape up here on the top. Hang on, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I figured it out. So I'm going to take my baseball card holder, and as you can see, I did a very poor job of cutting it down to size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this open end that I have here, and I'm just going to kind of plunk it down right here, but I'm going to seal it off with a little bit of washi tape. Now, since this is going to be the adhesive, I do want to help out the washi tape, like I've said before, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of it. But I'm not doing a flip. All I'm going to do is just plunk it down because, as you can see directly through that clear plastic. So I'm just going to, this is kind of an awkward angle that I'm at, so I'm just going to kind of put half of it on the baseball card holder. You can see on the, I don't know if you can see on the back of it. Yeah, so here's the line where the top of this baseball card holder is. And then I'm just going to get it as close as I can over here. Oh, I didn't even need to put that other washi tape on here to make it pretty, but whatever, it's fine. Yeah, so here's my sea oats. And now I can come down here and do a little bit of journaling over here in the corner. All right, I'll show you the finished product next week. Bye, guys.